How to use Meta AI app. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the Meta AI app. So Meta just launched its AI app, but how do you actually use it? Here's how you can do that. So first, go ahead and open the Meta AI app into your device. And then from here, go ahead and click on the Get Started with Meta AI button. And that will take you here. So you need to sign in to your Facebook account connected to Meta AI. But if you don't have one yet, go ahead and create one first. So once you're signed in to your account, you'll be redirected into your feed. So on your feed, you'll basically find all of the edits that other users have created using Meta AI. So you'll be able to react on these edits, comment, remix, and share it with other users. So once you click on this plus button at the top right, you can go ahead and create your own version of videos and edits from your photos. So in here, you need to enter the command and the photo that you want to use for the edit, and then you'll be able to find the processing video at the left side. So as you can see, you'll be able to find the result of the command that you've just entered for that specific photo. So you'll need to basically provide a photo that Meta AI needs to edit, and then once they have done editing it, you can go ahead and view that photo by clicking on it. So the process may take longer depending on the length of the video that you want to create from that photo. So as you can see, you can add a music for this photo. You can also lip sync, add voiceover, freestyle, and more. So you can change the song that was added into the photo. So once you have changed the song, click on the next button and then select the part of the song that you want to add, and then click on the done button at the top right. And then once you have saved the changes, Meta AI would recreate that video with the song that you've just selected. And then once you click on this send icon at the bottom left of the photo, you'll be able to download the photo or share it with others on your other social media platform. And that is how you can basically use Meta AI app.